Hey kids, I made this short video in the spring of 2024 about the periodical cicadas entomologists call brood 19. Brood 19 is a 13-year cicada brood that emerges with a spectacle that captivates some folks in North Carolina while irritating others every 13 years. As these periodical cicadas emerge from their long subterranean slumber, their synchronized chorus fills the air with a loud buzz, signaling their presence to all within earshot. With their striking black bodies, amber wings, and vibrant red eyes, these insects swarm the trees in great numbers. 13 periodical cicadas look different than other seasonal cicadas. Their sheer abundance is a testament to nature's resilience and rhythm. For me, the emergence of brood 19 reminds me of the cyclical nature of life and the fleeting beauty of the natural world. It is a moment to marvel at the intricate interconnectedness of the ecosystem and the wonder of these remarkable insects and their survival strategies. Don't be part of the crowd freaked out by cicadas or irritated by the male cicadas singing to the females. You don't have to be afraid of cicadas. They're harmless. Practice living in the moment. Hopefully this video offers something you can enjoy and learn something new as I share with you a few more moments with Poppy. Love you. Look what we got here. It's one of those periodical cicadas. You can see where it emerged from right here, the skeleton. And here he is, he can't even fly yet. They call them periodical because the two different groups. One is 13 years, one is 17 years. As you guys already know, of course. Look at his red eyes. Finally getting to see what's outside being underground there, buddy. Good luck. Decided to move it. Give it a little better shot over here. By this other. There you go, buddy. You're gonna have a short life, but I wish you the best. The cicada just flew in here. Little buddy here. One of the broodlings. Look at those eyes. Cicada. Out with the dogs, taking a little walk here. I want you to listen to the cicada brood. Maybe you can hear it a little better up on the hill here. You can also hear the plane. You know people are just calling the police asking what all that is. The brood has arrived. Either the cicadas are louder or my hearing improved overnight. I think louder is correct. Example an exoskeleton of a cicada that had emerged out of it. Beautiful exoskeleton. I stepped into the woods so you could hear the cicadas. I think they're louder than they were yesterday, but my hearing isn't that good anyway. Well, look here, he must have been eating a cicada. Is that what he was doing, Blue? This is a perfect moment to examine the periodical cicada. Notice its amber-colored wings, and then you can't tell its torso. You can see it on its head; it's black, and his eyes are red, and he takes off. He might be toward the end here. Oh yeah, you can see the red eyes. Let's see if the old man is quick enough to catch him here. Nope. Yep. The red-eyed beast. The red-eyed beast of the brood. They're harmless, just noisy, and short-lived. You know the wildlife are just feasting. There's those beautiful amber wings. Black body, red eyes. They make a different sound than the annual cicadas, as you can hear. The periodical cicada. They've taken North Carolina by storm. Well, certain counties anyway.